The unboxing experience is practical and product-focused, exactly as expected from a compact smart home server rather than a decorative lifestyle gadget. HomeClaw makes a solid first impression with its small, square body, rounded corners, clean LinknLink branding, and gateway-style design. With Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, HDMI, AV output, USB expansion, and 64 gigabytes internal storage, HomeClaw immediately feels more flexible and serious than a closed smart home bridge. For interval setup, Ethernet is the easiest option, allowing quick local access before configuring Wi-Fi. This intelligent gateway is compact, quiet, and easy to install near a router, TV cabinet, or smart home control area. With Ethernet, USB expansion, video output, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, 4 gigabytes RAM, and 64 gigabytes internal storage, it feels more capable and reliable than a basic smart hub. With wired Ethernet and built-in internal storage, HomeClaw feels more stable and dependable for everyday smart home control, automations, dashboards, connected devices, and secure remote access. In daily use, HomeClaw's main strength is that it combines smart home control, AI automation, mobile access, and advanced Linux and Docker flexibility in one local device. Home Assistant provides the ecosystem foundation. OpenClaw and Hermes adds the AI layer, and the LinknLink app makes setup and remote access easier. This gives regular users a simpler smart home experience while still leaving enough freedom for advanced customization. The local-first design is also important because core smart home control should remain stable and private even when internet access is not ideal. LinknLink HomeClaw True AI Gateway is one of the most interesting smart home devices of the year because it feels less like another hub and more like a compact AI-powered home server. By combining Home Assistant, OpenClaw, local-first control, Matter bridge support, free remote access, Linux flexibility, Docker, HACS, and AI automation tools, it offers a strong foundation for both regular users and smart home enthusiasts. HomeClaw brings smart home control, AI, remote access, and advanced customization into one small box, making it a promising step toward homes that are truly smart, not just connected.